You touched on the courts there, and there will be opening of family law court proceedings.
Yes.
Do you have concerns about that, or is it a positive development?
It's a very positive development because, one of the things that emerged in the course of the debate last year was that people really maybe aren't as aware as they need to be about some of the serious problems that arise in families in relation to, just family dysfunction generally, how children can be looked after or not looked after. 1,500 cases every year of child abuse and neglect. So opening up and understanding the decisions that judges make in Cork and Dublin, looking for consistency, the same as we look for consistency in relation to everything. This is the first time that we're having actual reporting about decisions about care, about granting a care order, what are the circumstances, what's actually happening to children. And I think we need to break it down by county, actually, without, the only risk really is, and it's a very important risk, we have to be very careful, it's very important that we handle this risk well, would be that you would break the anonymity of families and you would expose the family to public scrutiny. That's not intended. And judges will have the right under the new legislation that's coming in to say, in this case we don't want public reporting. But I think it's a really good thing to open up what's happening in family courts and, with anonymity being guaranteed.